Hello my dear students, how are you? I think you are so well by the grace of Allah. Today I am an English teacher, Muhammad Salihuddin, senior teacher of Dhaka Sheikh Abdullah Body School and College, to take a class about English first paper. My dear students of class 10, you are the students of class 10 Newton. Today I like to discuss about a topic from English for today, and the topic has been given from Unit 10, Lesson 3B in this first paper, and it's from page number 134. So, my dear students, let's start our today's topic. It is English for today, and the page 134, the Unit 10, the name of the unit is Dreams, and lesson 3, name of the lesson is They Had Dreams 1. My dear students, today the text is about a person named Pritilota. I think the name is very common to you. So let's start the text first, then we will talk about the questions and also MCQ. Pritilota Waddedar was born in Chattogram on May 5, 1911. She was a meritorious student at Dr. Khastagir Government Girls School in Chattogram and Eden College, Dhaka. She graduated in philosophy with distinction from Bethune College in Kolkata. In her college days, Pritilota was an activist in the anti-British movement. All through her life, she dreamed of two things: a society without gender discrimination and her motherland free from British colonial rule. Now I am in the second para. The photograph of Pritilota is like this. So she decided to fight against the British rule. Soon after, Pritilota became the head teacher of Nandan Kanan Aparna Charan School in Chattogram. Gradually, she involved herself in Surya Sen's armed resistance movement. Surya Sen was a famous anti-British movement organizer and revolutionary activist in Chattogram area at the time. In 1932, Surya Sen planned an attack on the Pahartoli European Club. The club was well known for its notorious sign at its entrance: dogs and Indians not allowed. Surya Sen assigned Pritilota to lead a team of 10 to 12 men to attack the club. The raid was successful, but Pritilota, dressed as a man, failed to get out of the club. She committed suicide by taking potassium cyanide to avoid arrest. She proved that women can work like men. She also proved that women too needed to be prepared to sacrifice their lives for freedom from the British colonial rule. Her dream finally came true. The British rule came to an end in 1947, though she couldn't see it during her lifetime. This was the text about Pritilota Waddedar. Now, from the text, we will discuss about some new words. Dear students, you have to be attentive about the new words and their meaning, because for MCQ in the exam you have to know the meaning of the words. Meritorious, talented, distinction, honor, committed, performed, prove, show or test, attack, invasion. You can also tell it raid, attack. Philosophy is also a subject. Philosophy, theory, revolutionary, radical, sacrifice, give up, avoid, eliminate. The students, on the text, in the page 135, there are also some words that have to be matched. So, from page number 135, see, there are some words and the meaning in the column B you have to match. So, I am going to tell you the matched words meaning. Graduated means took a university degree. Activist means a member of a certain social or political group. Movement, activist, activities. Gender discrimination, the meaning of the phrase inequality between male and female. Colonial rule by a powerful country over a weaker country. Combat means fight. Gradually means slowly. Resistance means battle. Notorious means dishonorable. Assign means give responsibilities. These are the meaning of some words. Those have been matched from column A with column B. Now, the students, there are some short questions here. Where did Pritilota fight? You have to answer the question in this way. Pritilota fought, because the question is in the form of past indefinite. You have to answer the question in past indefinite. Pritilota fought. When did he fought? When did she fought? Fight. When did she fight? You have to write it. She fought. You have to write the time from the text, because in the exam you will be given the text. But you have to start the answer. She fought. Why did she fight? She fought. Because you have to write in this way. What was Pritilota's profession? Pritilota's profession was, Pritilota's profession was teaching or a political person. You have to write taking from the answer from the text. What do you learn from Pritilota's life? Here you can start I learn or we learn. Though the sentence question is in present indefinite, you have to answer the question in present indefinite. The students, here number E you have to face a table. Here you have to make questions and answer in the column 3. Here one is given for you. When was Pritulata born? Actually, we know that Pritulata was born on May 5, 1911, and the answer is on the top of the third column. And you have to make another 5 questions, and the answer is in the third column. You can make question in this way: where was she born? We know that she was born in Chittagong, so the answer is in Chittagong. Number 3, what did she graduate in? What did she graduate in? We know that she graduated in philosophy, and the answer is philosophy. Number 4, what was the Pahartul European Club famous for? What was the Pahartul European Club famous for? We know that the answer is for its notorious sign, dogs and Indians not allowed. And the question 5, who assigned Pritulata to attack the club? We know that Surya Sen assigned Pritulata, so the answer is Surya Sen. And last question we are making, last question 6, question number 6. How did Pritulata die? We know from the passage that Pritulata died by taking potassium cyanide, and actually here the answer is potassium cyanide. This is a different table, my dear students. I think you have to practice this type of table in English first paper in the exam. So this was our today's lesson. We talked about Pritulata what did that today, and also we have solved some questions from the text English for today. The students, you know all that from the 1st July you are going to sit for the second online evaluation. I like to advise you, you have to practice the scene comprehension from the EFT, and I think it will be very easy for you the coming exam if you continued the lessons we have practiced. I think you will get the full marks in the exam. My dear students, thank you.